a unique dosa recipe from Udupi and Mangalore's Neer Dosa. This simple yet delightful dosa holds a special place in my heart. I still remember when I was traveling back from one of my trekking, which is Netravati trek, we stopped at a place called Kotikehara, where I had the best dosa, neer dosa with neer chutney. The speciality this recipe holds same goes with the sweet language Udupi and Mangalorean people have. ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟ ಮಾರ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಡೆ ಚಂದ ನೀರು ದೋಸೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀರು ದೋಸೆ ಜೊತೆ ನೀರು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ರುಚಿ ಉಂಟವು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆಹಾ.